First open Start and type troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot setting. Click on Additional Troubleshoot. Click on Windows Update and run the troubleshoot. Wait for program to detect your Windows Update issues. If that didn't work, open Start and type Services. Open Services. Locate Windows Update. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. If your service is already started, press Restart the services. Now restart. If that didn't work, open Start and type Notepad. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the text that you will find in the description of this video. Click on File. Click on Save As. Select all files. Type fix.bat and save the file. Right-click and select Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.